Gold H4 time frame. Last week price breakout, big resistance 2930. So for gold, this level that was not easy to break out, but Trump tariff drama and weak inflation number triggered that breakout. Your first support area 2955. So these two your big support level and clear breakout, and finally last week price hit $3,000. But Goldman Sachs Bank, their year-end target 3100 to 3300. They have updated and now saying there is an upside risk to their year-end target. So let's see if price do sideways correction after breakout, that's been consolidate after big resistance breakout, or cartwheel trend correction, that's been retest of the support zone. But this look like big side WXY wave and double three correction, or maybe you can say expanding triangle chart pattern. But for beginner trader, you have clear static support level 2955 area and 2930. In case price goes up more, that's mean your psychological level $3,000. Then daily time frame overbought based on daily time frame RSI. This trend line, big dynamic support level, but by the time retest happen, more timing increase. This trend line that will be about 2800. So instead of static support, better we focus on this trend line. And your wave counting, if these are 5 impulsive wave, then right now we are in 5th impulsive wave. Let's see how high 5th wave go. And $3,000 big psychological level. So for long-term investor, it change everything. Either they take profit or long-term buyer start buying dip. Because if you see COT, they constantly decreasing their position. Big melt up in gold last week, still they dumped gold more. So either 5 impulsive wave complete, final wave 5th, or this triangle chart pattern, then we have to wait more upside down movement. Because final wave E, it will take time and it need more sideways correction. Because daily time frame now have only 2 steps, either triangle chart pattern complete in upcoming time, or slowly price retest this trend line. If we see weekly time frame more closely, then all tailwind for gold compared to Biden year, slowly all of them are changing. Biggest shocking change last week, CPI, PPI both came lower than expected, which triggered that breakout in gold. And most important, finally they are showing down tick. So if CPI, that's mean inflation downtrend coming visible in number, but problem is Fed have to choose lower than expected inflation number or 4.9% 1 year inflation expectation. That is very high number and shocking change. So inflation falling, that means recession confirm. Almost every data, UR uptick, GDP now negative, and inflation so downtick, and SP 500 already crashed 10%. So recession is here in economic indicator and stock market. So this is the reason Trump can continue his trade war, because we already have falling inflation. but rising inflation expectation 4.9%, very big number. Let's see what Fed do this week. But remember this September month, there was market crash in August month. Then finally Fed did big size 50 basis point cut in September FOMC meeting. Right now, looks same to same. We had market crash 10% in SP 500. We have lower than expected inflation number, a downtick, and market is pricing a dovish Fed. That September FOMC meeting, everything was dovish, but what they will do this time? If Fed do same to same like September FOMC meeting, do something to stop that stock market crash, and final message of FOMC become dovish like September last year, then gold can easily sustain its price action above $3,000. If not, then that will be first big shocking change after election. Because compared to before and after election, finally inflation expectations are exploding in big way. And this is maybe your tariff fear or rate cut expectation. Fed will tell, but Fed have to do something. If September FOMC repeat all of them dovish, gold will sustain our $3,000, or U-turn, Fed put die after election, then slowly those 5 impulsive wave, gold can start correction. And this possible parallel channel on weekly time frame, upper trend line testing once again, lower trend line retest is your next dynamic support level. But that time, lower trend line retest will be above 2800 support level. So weekly technical chart is still full bullish, clear setup, support and resistance both, but they are dynamic. Gold H4, if price retrace, then you have clear static support level, 2 support, but price breakout more, goes up more. In that condition, monthly time frame wave counting from this bottom to top, fifth projection number is 3036. That is possible number. If price goes up more, that is possible target. And Fed will decide this week that March month candlestick that will close over $3,000 or back below 2800. Because Fed FOMC this week, that is your biggest news, and monthly RSI is still highly overbought. So this can be a giant AVC or third impulsive wave. Time will tell, but possible support on H4 2955, 2930, but resistance from monthly time frame 3036. And market behaving same like September 2024. Market crash if Fed does not come to rescue stock market. That's mean your Fed put. Then gold can start correction below $3,000. Otherwise, same like last year, small correction, then breakout. But one by one, all banks, they are raising their target, and which has gone from $3,100 up to $4,000. If you repeat everything one by one, for beginner, H4 you have 2 support, daily you have trend line, final impulsive wave, weekly you have channel, upper trend line testing again, monthly you have fifth projection level 3036. So if you combine all time frame together, then you have clear support and resistance level. So price goes up more, then there will be resistance. If price start falling, if Fed put die, Powell become hawkish post election after 4.9 1 year inflation expectation, then you have multiple support. But if price came down again below 29.55 area, then correction chance will increase.